Is your car shaking or vibrating while sitting still at a stoplight or in your driveway? That rough idle might seem like a small annoyance, but if you ignore it, you could end up with a much bigger repair bill down the road. Today, I'll break down the top causes of rough idle and show you how to fix them yourself with just basic tools you probably already have. We'll go over the 5 most common culprits, and I'll walk you through each fix step by step so you can get your car running smoothly again. Ready? Let's pop the hood and get started. First up, let's talk about a dirty throttle body. This is one of the most overlooked causes of a rough idle, but it's surprisingly common. Over time, carbon deposits and sticky gunk build up inside the throttle body, blocking airflow and making your engine struggle to breathe. If your RPM needle bounces, or your car feels like it might stall at stoplights, this could be the culprit. To check, locate the throttle body between your air filter box and the intake manifold. Remove the intake hose and look for black grime or sticky residue inside. Use throttle body cleaner, not carb cleaner, on a clean rag, and gently wipe away the carbon buildup. Open the throttle plate by hand to clean both sides, but avoid using anything abrasive that could scratch the surface. While you're at it, inspect the intake hose for cracks or tears that could let in unmetered air. Reattach the hose, start your engine, and let it idle for a few minutes to reset. You should notice a smoother, steadier idle almost right away. If not, don't worry. We've got more fixes coming up in the next chapters. Cleaning your throttle body is quick, affordable, and often solves rough idle issues for good. Next, let's talk about spark plugs, a small part with a big impact on your engine's performance. Worn or fouled spark plugs are a common cause of misfires and rough idle, often going unnoticed until problems start. Remove each plug and inspect for black soot, oil, or worn electrodes. These are signs it's time for a replacement. Replace any plugs that look old or burnt. They're inexpensive and can make a huge difference in how your car runs. Always use the correct plugs for your vehicle and set the proper gap using a feeler gauge. Hand tighten the new plugs, then torque them to the manufacturer's specification. Reconnect the wires or ignition coils, then start your engine. You'll likely notice a smoother idle right away, and your engine will thank you. Don't skip this step. Fresh spark plugs help your engine run better and last longer. Now, let's tackle vacuum leaks, a sneaky and often overlooked cause of rough idle that can really throw your engine off balance. Carefully inspect every vacuum hose under the hood for cracks, splits, or loose connections. Even a tiny leak can make a big difference. Focus on hoses connected to the intake manifold, brake booster, and PCV valve. These are common trouble spots. Gently tug each hose to check for brittleness or weakness. Replace any that feel stiff or crack easily. With the engine running, listen closely for a hissing sound. This is a classic sign of a vacuum leak. Spray carb or brake cleaner around the hoses. If the idle changes, you've pinpointed the leak. Replace any damaged hoses and tighten all loose fittings to seal the system. Start your engine again and listen for a smoother idle. Fixing vacuum leaks not only restores your idle, but also helps prevent bigger engine problems down the road. Dirty or clogged fuel injectors are a very common cause of rough idle, because they disrupt the precise, even delivery of fuel your engine needs to run smoothly. When injectors get blocked by carbon deposits or debris, your car may shake, idle unevenly, or even hesitate when you press the gas. You might also notice poor fuel economy or a check engine light. One of the easiest ways to tackle this is by adding a quality fuel injector cleaner to your gas tank. Make sure to follow the instructions on the bottle for the best results, and choose a cleaner that's compatible with your vehicle. After adding the cleaner, fill up your tank and drive as you normally would. The cleaner will work to break up stubborn deposits as you drive, helping restore smooth fuel flow. You might notice smoother idling after just one tank, but if the problem continues, try a second treatment. Sometimes really dirty injectors need a couple of rounds to clear up. If rough idle still persists, it may be time for a professional cleaning. Mechanics can use specialized equipment to clean injectors more thoroughly. Using injector cleaner regularly, every few thousand miles, can help prevent buildup and keep your engine running at its best. Always try this simple fix before taking things apart or heading to the shop. It's an easy, affordable step that can save you time and money. Finally, let's talk about sensor issues, especially the MF and O2 sensors. These electronic components play a huge role in how your engine idles, and when they malfunction, your idle can get rough or unpredictable. To start, unplug and carefully remove the MF sensor. Only use MF sensor cleaner to spray it down and remove any built-up grime or dust. Let the sensor dry completely on a clean surface before reinstalling it. This step is crucial for proper function. Remember, never touch the delicate sensor wire inside. It's extremely fragile and can break easily. If your check engine light is on, scan for codes. O2 sensor codes often mean the sensor needs replacing. Always disconnect the battery before cleaning or replacing sensors. This resets the computer and keeps you safe. After cleaning or replacing sensors, start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. If your idle is smooth and the check engine light stays off, you've fixed the issue. Don't ignore sensor problems. Left unchecked, they can cause bigger, more expensive issues down the road. That's 5 simple ways to fix rough idle and keep your car running smoothly. Tackle these fixes yourself and you'll save real money at the mechanic. Remember, fixing rough idle early keeps your engine healthy and your wallet happy for the long run. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more car fixes and tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone, so don't hesitate. Check out our other videos for more tips and money-saving repairs. See you next time at Fix Pro Garage.